program. Now I want to welcome to our distinguished guests. First, Dr. Vandarajan sir. Dr. Vandarajan sir, welcome. Assistant Professor, PRAGIC, Pondicherry. Then I will invite Dr. Sorry, Assistant Professor, Dr. AGLC, Pondicherry. And then our guest, Advocate, Imati, Satru, Engineer Karaikal. Welcome, sir. Now I invite our Dr. Jagdishan sir to order Dr. Vandarajan. Please welcome. To order of the Government of Government. Now I invite our senior professor, Dr. Sambandan sir, head of the Department of Teachers. Come here. Now I invite our economics authorities that come to order Dr. Saurabh. Dr. Saurabh. Now I welcome our Commerce authority, Dr. Levin Gandhi sir. And I also invite to honor our previous advocate, Imati. Thank you, Gandhi sir. Now I invite Dr. Vandarajan sir to say something about his. Thank you, students, for the organizing this Nyaya Oli Club in our college. Now I invite Dr. Saurabh, Assistant Professor, Dr. Arignar, Chair, Project Coordinator of this Nyaya Oli Club. Sir, please come and say something to our students.
Good afternoon, students. So, we are here for creating awareness on law. See, last time also we came for your PG college and we had a discussion on the aspect of constitution, fundamental rights, duties, and directive principles of state policy. Today, I want to have a brief overview over the Right to Information Act. Like, why that particular topic? See, in one session, two session, all the laws we cover. But we can have overview over something. So today I will cover the Right to Information Act. The purpose of Right to Information Act is to promote transparency and accountability in the way public authorities in India work. That means we have every authority to know how authorities are working. Then only, when we have a right to know, then only there is a transparency as well as accountability. Every citizen has right to information. That means it is our right to have information. When we have information, we can develop our thought, we can understand what is going on. The right to information is the right of all and right to all and any information that is accessible under the Act and which is under the control of public authority. Now, right to information includes what? Basic question. Right to information includes inspection of work, documents, records, taking notes, extracts, certified copies of documents or records, taking certified samples of material. Even you can obtain information in copies, dates, assets, any other electronic mode. Now, in I said that we have our information, we can have information for public authority. Now the question is, what do we understand by public authority? The RTI Act, if you see, dear students, it simply said if a body or organization is not a public authority, then there is no right to information. That means we can ask for information from public authority. Now, a basic question or query comes to our mind. Can we ask anything from private company or private firms? Before that, I want to explain. Please hold this question. Can we ask information from private companies? A public authority refers to body or institution of self-government that is created by or under the Constitution of India or by law made by Parliament or state legislation or by notification issued or order made by central or state government. The term public authority includes a body owned, controlled, majorly financed, directly or indirectly by the government. Majorly financed directly or indirectly by funds provided by the government. So, this is the category. And Indian Railways, government departments, State Bank of India are some basic examples of public authorities under the Act. Now I have a simple question for you. Dear students, if you want to any information from private airlines company, they are bound to give private airlines company. Private doesn't come under the definition of public authority. Private airlines company. There are so many. Can you have information? Answer is yes. There is a technique. Private airline companies are not public authorities under the RTI Act, but information on private airlines can be sought from government department, not directly but through the agency which has given it permission, with which is registered. Now, right to information. Now, what is information? Under the RTI Act, information basically, in any material, in any form, it includes records, documents, email, advice, circular, order, logbook, contract, etc. A long list is there. Now, what is the basic responsibility of public authority? So, dear students, every public authority must publish in law. Why I am saying it as a responsibility? They have to do it proactively. They should not wait that when we apply, they will give us information. That means it is the responsibility of public authority to provide certain information proactively by their own. For example, application. So remember, application for information can be filed even with intelligence and security organization if information sought relates to allegation of corruption or human rights violation. So if you want to know anything relating to corruption or human rights violation of this organization, you can ask for information. Now, if the Central Public Information Officer or State Public Information Officer reject any application, the reason for rejection must be provided. You apply for information, they are rejecting your application. They have to provide you suitable reason. They will also have to inform the period within which an appeal can be filed and had. Suppose you applied, they don't want to give information, they have to give specific reason, and they also have to inform you where you can file an appeal. So, after this, I want to point out this act also provided for CIC, that is Constitution of Central Information Commission and State Information Commission. Now, basically, this Central Information Commission and State Information Commission are required to receive and inquire into complaints. When you are aggrieved, you can file complaint to this CIC or SIC. As the case may be, complaint can be made to Information Commission when a citizen is denied access to any information. You are directly denied access to information. Denied access to any information within the prescribed time limit. Asked to pay unreasonable amount of fees for information. Prescribed fees is there. They are asking unreasonable fees. Unable to submit application due to non-appointment of any information